The Blackview Xplore 6 and the Xplore 2 take two very different approaches to the rugged phone idea. The Xplore 6 pushes much harder toward flagship-level performance, cameras, and a more manageable body, while the Xplore 2 is built around extreme battery capacity and genuinely useful outdoor features. So, the better choice comes down to whether you want power and versatility or maximum endurance. Xplore 6 is the better balanced rugged flagship. You get far stronger performance, a more versatile camera system, newer software, and a body that is significantly lighter and thinner. The Xplore 2 makes a different trade-off. It is extremely heavy, but that weight buys you a huge battery, night vision, and a powerful camping light.